In the past, traditional doors typically featured a night latch and a deadlock. While this system provides a classic look, perfect for period properties, it has its drawbacks. The main disadvantage is that it lacks the advanced security of modern front door solutions. Modern locking systems use a multi-point lock with a latch and deadbolt, combined with a lever handle. This provides significantly better security. However, while modern systems are more secure, they don't always match the traditional aesthetic of period-featured doors. So, what's the solution? Introducing the GU Secury. With this innovative locking system, you can simply close the door, and the locks automatically engage. This ensures a secure door whether you are inside or outside your property. It can be connected to an electronic keyless access product. The GU Secury is tested to pass 24 standards, ensuring top-tier security. It includes flush, fully adjustable keeps and utilizes deadbolts instead of hooks, which help avoid remedial issues should the door shrink or expand. And it's versatile, working seamlessly with both traditional and modern door designs. Discover more about the GU Secury and how it can enhance your home's security and style at sdhardware.co.uk.